everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amara Andrew, and today we are going to be making the Sweetheart. So this is also a super simple recipe, as I've said in my other mocktail videos. If you haven't seen them yet, go check them out. But actually first, check this one out, then go check those out. Anyway, let's just get right to the drink. What you're gonna wanna do is just take a Collins glass and then 2 to 4 ounces of raspberry simple syrup. The recipe for that and for this drink is on my website at amaraandrew.com. Just super simple. Simplicity is the name of the game with me, so everything is always gonna be very simple. So take your raspberry simple syrup, you're just gonna pour it over a couple ice cubes in your Collins glass. That looks like a lot of sugar. Well, this will be a fun afternoon. Then you're gonna take half a teaspoon of almond extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Juice from half a lemon, not a lime, juice from half a lemon. Pour that in there. And then just take a couple frozen raspberries. Since we're only doing 2 ice cubes, the frozen raspberries are what help keep your drink nice and cold without watering it down too much. So I just do about 6 to 8 of those. And then just top it with Topo Chico, club soda, or whatever other kind of sparkling water you prefer. I just love Topo Chico, so we just use that. And stick a straw in it. You're done. So there's your Sweetheart. Let's take a sip. Oh my God, this is so delicious. Oh yeah, you're still here. So, like I said, you can find the recipe for that and for the raspberry simple syrup at my website, amaraandrew.com. Be sure to like this video, comment what your favorite raspberry flavored delicacy is. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this recipe. I have tons more recipes coming and on my channel already. So yeah, I'll see you around. Enjoy your Sweetheart and your Sweetheart drink. Ha ha ha. Okay, bye.